Samsung's foldable displays have truly redefined the future of mobile devices. From the Galaxy Z Fold to their cutting-edge prototypes, these innovations are nothing short of revolutionary. But what many people overlook is the robust intellectual property strategy that safeguards this groundbreaking technology. Let's dive into how Samsung has constructed a patent fortress around foldable tech. For years, Samsung has invested heavily in flexible OLED technology, ultra-thin glass engineering, and hinge durability. The result? A leading lineup of foldable smartphones and tablets that not only push the boundaries of design, but also redefine user experience. This isn't merely about hardware, it's about owning the innovation. Samsung holds thousands of patents globally that cover a wide array of advancements, including flexible screen stacking, hinge and fold mechanisms, touch sensitivity across curves, and thermal durability in flexible layers. These patents create a competitive moat that's incredibly difficult for others to breach. Samsung's legal team has meticulously built a global IP portfolio that focuses on both standard essential patents and defensive filings. This strategy serves a dual purpose. It prevents copycats from entering the market and opens up opportunities for licensing deals, cross-collaboration, and even R&D tax benefits. As competitors like Huawei, Xiaomi, and Apple begin to encroach on the same market, Samsung's early and aggressive IP filing strategy is proving to be a game changer. In today's fast-paced tech world, protecting innovation isn't just a nice-to-have, it's essential for survival and growth. This is where Power Patent comes into play. Power Patent is a leading legal technology company that leverages AI to streamline critical processes such as patent drafting, competitive analysis, prior art searches, and portfolio monitoring. Whether you're working on the next big thing in hardware, AI, or software, Power Patent equips you with the tools to secure and defend your ideas more efficiently and intelligently. Samsung's success in the foldable market isn't just about innovative design, it's about IP domination. The company has set a precedent for how to protect and leverage technological advancements. If you're looking to future-proof your innovations and maintain a competitive edge in your industry, consider the power of a solid IP strategy. Visit www.powerpatent.com today to learn how you can safeguard your ideas and ensure your place at the forefront of innovation.